Are you tired of long working hours and feeling overwhelmed as a software engineer? Well, what if I told you there is a powerful habit that can help you work less and achieve more? In this video, we will uncover the secret habit that successful software engineers use to streamline their work and reclaim their time. Allow me to share my personal journey and how it transformed my life. For a long time, I was an impulsive software developer, constantly engrossed in coding and trying to fix the messes I had created. It felt like a never-ending cycle, and I blamed myself for not being good enough. Desperately searching for solutions, I would impulsively jump from one task to another. However, after 5.5 years in my career, I reached a turning point. I started questioning everything around me. Why was I always so frantic while others seemed calm and composed? This rebellious spirit awakened within me, driving me to seek a different path. In 2019, I witnessed a remarkable shift. Not only did I receive a recognition with an Innovator Award in my organization, but my entire life changed. I became known for my work, and the late night of constant struggle became a thing of past. I share my journey with you because I want you to know that changes is possible. Welcome Free Minds. I am Sanjay, a technical manager based in UK. On this channel, we will explore evidence-based strategies and tools that improve work-life balance, allowing you to prioritize your personal growth and achieve happier, healthier and wealthier life. I am excited to have you here. Let's continue the journey together. Let's start by exploring the art of asking questions effectively. It all begins with a curious mindset, one that is not afraid to delve deeper and unravel the mysteries that lies before us. Imagine yourself as an explorer, venturing into an uncharted territory. With each question you ask, you peel back the layers of uncertainty, gaining valuable insight and understanding. Imagine you hear your colleague mentioning the term agile for the first time. If your mind immediately asks, "Wow, what is it? Tell me more about it." That's a curious question. By seeking further information, you open up to a world of knowledge. On the other hand, if your mind jumps to a judgment and questions like, "How does he know it? Is he pretending to be smart?" you hinder your learning. So embark curiosity, ask engaging questions, and watch your understanding expand. Now let's uncover the magical connection between asking questions and freeing up our precious time. It's a fascinating chain reaction that unfolds when we embark the power of questioning. Picture this. You come across a complex problem or task, and instead of diving headfirst into it, you pause and ask yourself relevant questions. As you seek answer and gain deeper understanding, a marvelous transformation occurs. You become more organized, you plan your task better, and the overwhelming chaos begins to dissipate. With a clearer focus, you can complete tasks faster and more effectively, ultimately freeing up your valuable time. Attention, my fellow software engineer. We need to be cautious of certain impulsive behavior that can hinder our pursuit of efficiency. It's time to dive deep and understand how we can overcome them for great productivity. The thrill of diving straight into a development without proper planning. It's like embarking on a grand adventure without a map. Let me share a personal story from the early days of my career. I was a skilled developer, at least I thought so. Whenever I encountered a problem or received a requirement, I would immediately jump into my code editor and eager to start coding. But without a plan in place, I found myself struggling to navigate the development process. My code lacked essential aspects, performance suffered, and usability was compromised. Late night became the norm as I desperately tried to fix my hasty mistakes. It was not until later in my journey that I realized the pattern behind my struggles. The impulsive behavior of diving headfirst into the coding without proper planning was robbing my time and satisfaction. Then what is the solution? Asking ourselves essential questions before diving into development, questions like what are the specific goal and objective of this project? What are the key milestones and deliverables? Do we have a clear roadmap or development plan in place? By taking the time to plan, we set ourselves up for the success and save precious hours down the line. Well, if you are enjoying the valuable content, why not show some love by hitting the like button and subscribe to this channel? And don't forget to share it with your colleagues too. Let's spread the curious coder mindset together. Imagine this scenario: you are in a conference room or attending a virtual meeting, discussing requirements for an upcoming project. Everyone seems to be on the same page. You assume that all the necessary information has been shared, but be aware, assumption can be costly. Let me share an example from my own experience in the refinement session with an offshore team. We thought we had a solid understanding of the requirements. However, when we started implementing the solution, we discovered numerous gaps and misunderstandings. The lack of clarity question during that meeting derail our project and affect our team productivity. It is crucial to gather all necessary information upfront by asking thoughtful questions. What are the requirements and constraints of the project? Are there any dependency or external factor to consider? Have we communicated with stakeholders to clarify expectations? By seeking clarity from the start, we avoid unnecessary setback and ensure smooth progress. No need to jot down these questions. I have got you covered with a Notion page dedicated to all my top questions for different scenarios. Just click the link below and follow the instructions to receive them in your email. I will continuously update the page with new questions and scenarios, so be sure to check back from time to time. Let's keep the knowledge flowing. The art of prioritization. It's like conducting a symphony, carefully orchestrating the task at hand to create a masterpiece of efficiency. Allow me to share a timeless tale. In a forest race, turtle and rabbit competed. Rabbit's impulsive nature led him to indulge into distractions, while turtles prioritized the race. Despite rabbit's speed, turtle's focused approach allowed him to overtake and win. The story teaches us the importance of prioritization in achieving success. As software engineers, we possess remarkable problem-solving skills, but if we fail to prioritize tasks effectively, we may find ourselves constantly working but achieving little progress. It's essential to ask ourselves potential questions. What are the most critical and high priority tasks? Are there any dependency or prerequisites for certain tasks? Can we break down large tasks into smaller manageable subtasks? By mastering the art of prioritization, we can allocate our time wisely and accomplish more in less time. Context switching, the multitasker's worst nightmare. It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Trust me, it doesn't end well. To avoid this chaotic dance, let's ponder some curiosity questions. Are we frequently switching between unrelated tasks? Can we prioritize and group related tasks together and minimize context switching? Is it possible to delegate or collaborate with others to distribute the workload? By minimizing the context switching, we maintain focus and efficiency, ultimately reclaiming more of our precious time. Sometimes we get engrossed in the quest of solution that we overlook the valuable resources and tools right before on our eyes. Imagine yourself as an explorer, equipped with a treasure map. Your questions become the key that unlocks the chest of hidden resources. Ask yourself, are there any existing library, frameworks, or solutions that can accelerate our development process? How we consider utilizing reusable code or components? Can we leverage automation or templates to streamline repetitive tasks? By embarking the power of what's already available, we can save time and efforts, and perhaps even discover new shortcuts on our coding adventure. Picture this: you find yourself standing on a coding island, struggling to solve complex problems all by yourself. It's time to break free from isolation and ask for questions. Are there team members or subject matter experts who can provide guidance or assistance? Have we reached out to colleagues for their insights or experiences? Can we organize brainstorm or knowledge sharing sessions to gather inputs? By fostering a collaborative spirit, we tap into a wealth of collective knowledge, saving time and expanding our problem-solving capabilities. By mastering the art of asking questions, we unlock a world of productivity, focus, and ultimately more free times. Are you curious to discover the 7 common time-wasting habits that most software engineers fall into? Well, you are in luck. Check out my one of the popular video on the screen right now, where I delve into these habits and provide valuable insights. Get ready to optimize your productivity and make the most out of your time. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep questioning and keep discovering the secrets that will set you free. See you in the next video.